Hello, my lovely ladies, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome if this is your first time joining us. So in this video, we are going to be doing an unboxing on these brand new boots that I got. As you can see by the title, I just picked up some Christian Louboutin boots, and I am so excited to share it with you. So stay tuned. So ladies, I just want to give you a little backstory on why I even bought these boots. If you have been with me for a while, you know my very first video on YouTube were a review on my, well actually it was an unboxing on my Christian Louboutin Eloise Botta boots, and I absolutely love those boots. I have them still. I wear them every fall, winter season. They are my babies. I will put the video up here somewhere. So yes, you've seen those boots. I love those boots. Those are the only pair of Christian Louboutin boots or shoes that I actually own. I have other shoes. I have Manolos. I have Jimmy Choos. I have all those stuff. But with my boots, I just been feeling Christian Louboutin, and I haven't really saw any shoes from them that are like pumps or sandals that I really wanted to pick up. So I just really only look at them for boots now. I do obviously want to get some shoes from them, but I just been obsessed with their boots. So I bought another pair, and I wanted to share with you ladies because you do ask me frequently in my comments or in the videos, where do I shop? Where do I get my clothes from? And you ladies know that I love mid-range brands. I love shopping like kind of high-low, but my accessories are usually designer. So I love designer shoes, designer belts, designer bags, and I like designer clothes as well, but I stick to like mid-range brands or like a little bit of fast fashion. Like I love Express. This top is actually from Express, which I have like in multiple colors. So I do like to shop at fast fashion, mostly Express. I do love Banana Republic. I tell you that all the time. And I love Theory, Vince, Reese. I can't even think of, there's so many brands that I really like, but I kind of stick to those kind of brands for clothing, and then for my accessories, I go with the designer. So I picked up these boots, which are so beautiful, and I'm going to show you. Now, I don't know, maybe I should bring the camera down. Let's see if that works a little better. Okay, so opening it up, we have and I actually, so just to give you a little story to go with this. So as you saw, me and my husband went to New York for his business event, and I wasn't supposed to go with him, but he told me last minute, like, oh, this event's going on. Do you want to go? And I was like, yeah, sure. I love New York. I want to go to New York. So obviously going to New York in autumn, you want to have like, you know, autumn looking clothes. It's California. Although I'm wearing like a sweater, it's colder in my house. It is hot outside. Like yesterday it was like 80 degrees. So we're not really in fall until like December or January, but really in February, it's like winter, so it's like colder. And that's when I really get used to boots. So he was shopping for some new shoes for New York, and I was shopping for new boots for New York. Now, we went to the malls and stuff like that because, you know, with guys, it's super easy to find what they're looking for. They always have what they're looking for. And so we went to Nordstrom, and he found the shoes that he was looking for, and I was still looking for the boots. I was looking at so many boots. Nothing really spoke to me. Nothing really grabbed my attention. So it was pretty much like a fail for me to find my boots until I got online, and then I was looking at the boot collection online, and I saw these. Now, I ordered them, and they said they were going to be available for pickup at the store the next day. So I was like, okay, that's perfect. It's the day before we leave, and so I'll have the boots for the trip. No. So I ordered them, and they were not ready. the next day. So that was a little bit of a bummer, but I just brought my other boots from Christian Louboutin, and I just wore those the whole trip, and I wore them with every outfit. I just made sure to like incorporate looks that will go with that outfit. And then I did wear pumps when I did wear the red suit. I had these plum pumps that looked really good with it, which you saw in the vlog. Anyways, so now I get back home, and my sister actually went and picked up the boots for me because they said if I didn't pick it up by Friday that, you know, they were going to send them back or whatever. So I had my sister go pick them up, and then so when I got back, I had my boots. The crazy thing about it is these boots, as you know from Christian Louboutin, or maybe you don't know, they are very narrow at the calf. And that's a big thing, right? Because a lot of people have bigger calves or just normal size calves, and this one is very small. And I have another pair, like I said, and they do like hug the calves really tight. So I was like, well, I already have a pair, so I already know the deal. They fit, they're fine. I get back, and the day after I get back, because we came back at like nighttime, so the day after I get back, when, you know, I'm just putting stuff away, doing laundry and everything like that, I try on the boots. They will not fit my calf. It would not go up. And I'm like freaking out at this point. I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe like I got so fat. Like, you know, I'm just going through the whole thing, like feeling down on myself. Like, I can't believe they don't fit. Like my other boots fit. Like, what's going on? How did I get so fat? I need to start losing weight. Like, I'm looking up online, how do you shrink your calves? And then I'm like, dang, like I'm going to have to return these. And I'm really sad because they're so beautiful. Okay, so I'm just like really down about it. I tell my husband like, "Dang, I'm gonna have to return my boots. They don't fit." And he's like, "Oh, like okay, damn, that sucks, but like we'll find another pair for you." I'm like, "Okay, whatever." So I tell my sister whatever, and she's like, "Oh, that's so sad." The next day, I'm on the phone with my sister, and we're talking about like different things and stuff like that. And then she was like, oh, like, what about the boots? So you're going to return them? And I'm like, yeah, I'm going to return them. They don't fit. And she was like, well, you know, you did try them on when you got off a plane. Like your legs must like could be swollen. Like just try them on again. Show me, we're on FaceTime. Show me again. I was like, okay, fine. Like whatever. I'll try them on again and show you. And I put them on my feet, and they zip up. And I screamed so loud. I was so excited. I was just like, oh my God, I can't believe they fit. So I am not returning these. I am keeping these. I am excited about it. And that's the little backstory about all of this. So let's get into this because I know like half of you guys were like, just show me the shoes. Okay. So the difference with this year, because I did get mine, I don't know, like a year or 3 years ago. 2 years ago? I don't really remember, but 3 years ago, you can see from the video that I posted. It does come with a white dust bag. Mine came with a red one in the last one, and it wasn't like this great quality. This is like pretty good quality dust bag, which is really nice coming with that. And then here are the boots. Oh my God, so pretty. So they are pointed toe. Look at the heel. Oh my gosh. Girls, honestly, what do we think? So they are suede. I'm going to put the name because I don't, let me see. The name say Condora Botta. So these are the Condora Botta 85 boot. I'm going to just show you one and put this down because it's a huge box. Okay, let me put this back up. Okay, so these are the Condora Botta 85 boot. They are suede, which is really nice. I don't have any suede boots, and I'm actually like, I don't really like suede boots. I and kind of against them, and I was not looking for a suede brown boot. I was looking for a leather brown boot. But then when I saw these, I was like, oh girl, you're coming with me. So another thing I really like about these is the heel. So on my Eloise Botta heel, it's very small and skinny. So this one is like thicker, and it has, let me see. So it has like this accent right here that like holds it up a little more better. So I feel more supported in it. And I think that's really, really beautiful detail that they give. As you ladies may know, the inside of the boot is leather. So this is the leather that's inside of the boot. So there is leather in it. It's just inside and in the sole. Another thing you can see by the calves, this is very, very narrow. So it doesn't really give way. It doesn't really give anything. So if you do have bigger calves or just normal size calves, if you have normal size calves, I would say go to the store and try them on first. But if you do have bigger calves and you usually wear like a wide, don't even bother with these. They're not the boot for you, unfortunately, which is fine. You know, they're just not the boot for you. This has the pointed toe. My other ones have like a rounder toe, which I really loved. But again, I wasn't looking for a point toe. This came with the boot and I just loved it. So I was like, okay, yes. So everything I was looking for in the boot, I did not get in these boots. But when I saw these boots, I was like, oh, but I do want them. So I got them. Another thing that I really like about this boot, instead of the Eloise Botta, is the zipper. This zipper is a lot more thicker and sturdier than my other zipper. This one just feels like it's not gonna come off or anything like that. And mine's didn't come off or anything like that. But what did happen to my other boot is that the heel part, like this little part on the bottom of my Eloise Botta, came off and kind of like messed up a little bit. So I did take it to the cobbler and he was able to fix it. And I called Christain Louboutin and they were like slightly not that helpful, but they did send me like new bottom parts for the shoe. And when I took it to my cobbler, he was like, oh, those are flimsy. Like, let me get you mines and I'll put mines on there and it's like thicker a little bit more and it won't do the same thing. So he did replace that with a better one. But these ones, I don't think I'm going to have a problem at all. They're very, very sturdy and I have not walked far in them. I did wear them and try them on, but I didn't walk anywhere with them because I wanted to show you ladies first. So all the red is still on the bottom. Now, I am debating on whether I should get those like bottom part things to like protect the red, because on my last one I didn't and I didn't really care that much about it, but I know people do and I'm like, well, should I do that? Should I care this time? Should I make these like, I don't know, pristine on the bottom and like get something to hold it down? I'm not sure, but if you ladies know anyone that's like really good brand or good quality that matches the color, just leave it in my comment section for me, you know, help a girl out and I will check it out because I'm not against doing that. I am gonna wear these for Thanksgiving. I'll probably put some photos in there of me wearing these. Yeah, I just really, really love them and I'm so happy that they fit. And yeah, they're suede, which is exactly what I did not want. So I am happy that I got them and they are beautiful. Aren't they beautiful, babe?
Beautiful.
He didn't even look. He didn't see the boots.
Oh yeah, they look good.
Yeah.
They're a little suede-y. I thought you...
Yeah, I wanted leather instead. But when I saw these, I was like, oh, these, please. So these are the boots. like I said, I picked them up from Nordstrom, and they were, I think, 1995, so just under 2,000. And yeah, well, that's all I have for you ladies. I inserted some photos for you. So yeah, I think those boots are so beautiful, and they will look gorgeous with a mini skirt. Even if you want to wear like a nice dress, a midi dress, a long dress, short dress, whatever. I don't usually wear them with like any like pants or anything. I'm not like into that unless it's like covering it completely because it's cold outside and I want to wear pants. But I wouldn't like wear pants that are tucked in. But if that's your thing, I guess you can do it. It is really narrow on the calves, so it doesn't like give any room for that. But I mean, it's up to you. I just love to wear them with skirts and dresses and stuff like that for the season. I can like think of so many outfits that I have that will go perfectly with this. Again, you don't have to get these boots if it's not in your budget. Please don't, go out of your way to get a designer item that's out of your budget just because it's designer. Like, that's never a good idea. There are so many boots that look similar to that, or that are leather or have a color, or all that stuff. But I do think it's important during this season and the next season, which is winter, to have like really nice quality boots so you can wear them with really cute outfits and just be on trend for the season, and have like neutral colored boots, so black, brown, and that way it can go with all your different types of outfits and all the looks that you ladies can create. So let me know in the comments what you think, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.